In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Squarespace. Copy page Squarespace tutorial. Let's jump right in. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and heading to your dashboard. From there, select your site title to open your site workspace. This brings you into the editor where you can access your content. Make sure you're on the page you want to copy. If you're working with a page that's already live, it's a good idea to review it first so you know exactly which parts you want to replicate. Inside the page editor, click on an image on the page. This is a quick way to reveal the section controls around that content. Click the image again if needed to fully activate the section toolbar. You'll see options tied to the section that contains that image and any related content, like text or buttons. Now choose Duplicate Section. This creates an exact copy of that entire section, preserving the layout and blocks inside it. The duplicate will appear directly below the original, so you can immediately see the result. If your page is built from multiple sections, repeat this process for each section you want to copy. This is the most reliable way to recreate a full page structure. Duplicate all the sections you need, then rearrange them as necessary. If you're duplicating just a portion of a page, you can stop once you have the pieces you want. When you're happy with the duplicates, click Save. Saving commits those changes to your site draft so nothing is lost. After saving, click Exit to leave the editor view and return to your site overview. Back in the main workspace, click Website to return to your site's primary panel. From there, click Home to preview your site and confirm the duplicated content appears exactly as expected. Take a moment to scan the page for spacing, image alignment, and text formatting, since duplicated sections copy styles as well as content. If anything looks off, you can hop back into the page editor and make quick adjustments. Once everything looks good, click Publish your site. Publishing pushes your updates live so visitors can see the duplicated content. Give the live page a quick refresh in your browser to verify the changes went through and that links, images, and spacing all behave correctly. That's it. You've duplicated your page content by copying its sections, saved and exited the editor, reviewed the results, and published your changes. This method is fast, consistent, and keeps your design on